So here's how to scan Wi-Fi QR code in your laptop or your PC. So first, let's assume if you have the QR code picture on your PC already, which is like this. What you can do is you will need a hotspot connection. Maybe you can share it with your phone, and then open your browser and then search for QR code reader, and then press the first website. Then you want to click on the camera icon and then choose file. And then you want to select the picture of the QR code that you already have, which is going to be on the desktop. So I'm going to select it real quick. And then on the bottom here, you should see a string like this. Now, after the P letter, P and then 2 points, which is the password. So this right here is the password, and the end is this character. So you want to copy this password and then go to the Wi-Fi settings on your network and then on your PC, and then try to connect to the Wi-Fi. And for the password, you will need to type or paste this password to be able to connect. And this is the Wi-Fi name usually at the beginning after S, and the type after T, which is no pass, and then the password after P. You should copy it from here. Now, if you don't have the QR code picture on your PC, what you can do is use your phone to take a picture of the QR code, and then you can send it over using Google Drive or even Discord, which is a simple option. So you want to upload the picture from your phone to your Discord app. So you can include the picture like that to a conversation or send it to your friend. So for example, you want to upload that from your phone, send it, and then open Discord on your PC using your hotspot, or maybe you're sharing from your mobile device. Open your Discord and access the conversation, and then download the picture from here. You can click on the picture and then click on Save Image, and it should prompt you where you want to save it. Click on Desktop and then click Save. And now you want to access again that website, which is webqr.com. Then click on the camera, upload the image you sent from your phone over Discord, and do the same steps. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.